got a gap. You're up top left corner on that one. How are you going to fix that? Well, how do you do that?
Go grab me a ladder. By the time you're back, I should be done with this whole bag.
No, you're 1 minute into it now. What's the matter, Kent? You reach an 8-foot wall?
I'm only 5 feet, bro.
Oh, so that Batt Setter helps you reach that 8-foot wall.
Yeah.
Well, how come we're not grabbing the insulation by your hand and putting it up?
Like that gap there, I couldn't reach it if I wanted to.
Oh, get a ladder.
I told you, I'm already done with this bag, and you're still not back with the ladder.
Well, so we're at 1:45, and you still got some cuts to do. Do the bottom, so that would probably take you another minute. So 3 minutes per bag without having to climb up a ladder.
Yes, sir. That sounds about right.
Man.